separate change of use planning. It should actually only take 3 months,
Right.
but it's taken us nearly 18 months. So only buy cash if you've got planning involved, because otherwise it'll screw you over. Yeah. It's going to be a beast, isn't it? So up here we're going to have really nice sized bedrooms. Potentially then going up into the loft as well to provide, well I think we are, to provide an ensuite, more bedroom and just bigger space up there. There's the cracks. Massive cracks. 100. So these are quite bad. We have had a structural engineer lock it down. So if you see anything like that, yeah, do get someone to check it out, because that's way bigger than what's acceptable really. But he reckons it's historic rather than rotten joists and lintels. We will have to stitch them together because they're a bit too bad for us to leave.
Yeah.
But structural engineer isn't massively concerned, and we just need to do, yeah, just need to do the repair into the cracks then to make it safe. So yeah. Anyone got any questions yet?
What do you reckon you'll spend on a refurb?
About 100.
Okay.
Hopefully not more.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit more, but yeah, around the 100 mark. So just a full, well, it's all going to get knocked to bits basically, knocked to bits, opened up, all the back's quite heavy because like half the building's all got to come down to create the garden and the car parking. Do you want to have a look at the cracks, Ty? Who's done them?